Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about new Philips 27E2F7901 monitor. So friend, the monitor is the most important tool that creators use, and up till now designer level monitors were out of the reach for most people budget. And friend, the creator series breaks new ground by offering a 27-inch 4K IPS black screen with display HDR 400 and a host of other high-end features for $500. And friend, one of the star features of this monitor is IPS black, and as this monitor is made for those interested in visually demanding professions, IPS black offers improved contrast ratio with deeper blacks that make colors pop. And another hallmark feature that improves this monitor's visual productivity is its VESA display HDR 400 certification and HDR LHD standard. And with VESA display HDR 400 certification, you can be sure that their products produce a full palette of stunning imagery. So friend, the screen's 3840 into 2164K UHD resolution, the monitor's capacity to display up to 1.07 billion colors for the most accurate, smooth and vivid color gamut. And the Creator Series monitor also covers a much wider color gamut than most monitors, perfectly reflect the colors and details you see on your MacBook screen. And friend, the main feature is DisplayPort 1.4 and geared towards visual editing, and video content can be transferred at 32.4 gigabit per second, and it also harbors USB Type-C hub with 96-watt power delivery. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.